So guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna, as usual, I think you guys might be like super bored. Like bored in the house, I'm in the house bored, blah 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 with me and my unboxings and my Chanel bags. Like this girl only buys Chanel. Yes, it's true. Yeah, I'm guilty for only buying Chanel bags, and I'm gonna explain you why. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Just keep watching. I'm gonna explain and tell you everything. So guys, hi, I'm here again. Oh my god, I need to hide my face because I'm tired of myself and my unboxings, all my bags, and like my life is a completely like mess. I buy too many things. I have to stop. Someone makes me stop. But I won't stop. I'm not gonna stop until I have all the bags I want. And I think it's been like a few days or weeks now. Chanel, Louis Vuitton, every like fashion brand increases their price. I don't want to get into this topic. Well, all I can say is that you guys know I love vintage Chanel. I will be forever ever a lover of vintage, and I don't feel, like I don't care about the price increases because I'm not, for example, I'm not Chanel's client, and after all these prices increase, I will never become one because I'm not going to pay $6,000 for a little bag like this with a crap quality. Like, bye, I have something better to do with my money. And I think a lot of people will just, run into the vintage market, into the pre-loved market, to have the bag of their dreams without having to sell all your organs. And I do understand, and I am happy I have an amazing collection, and I am happy I've been only buying vintage bags for about like 4 to 5 to 6 years now. My collection is amazing. I love it. And all I want to do now is buy the last pieces I really want, because I know and I see the prices are like this and the demand are like this. So I don't remember how the offer and the demand works in economics, but all I see is that prices are increasing in the pre-loved market and the demand too. And I mean, before you could buy a vintage Chanel bag for 1,000 to 1,500. Now for the same bag you will have to pay 2 to 500. It's like almost the double for the same bag. And no, like for me, no. But of course, for the new players in the market, I mean, new players are all these people that will just not go for the new one anymore because it's too expensive. So they will go to the pre-loved market, 2,500 or even 3,000. It's super cheap in comparison to the new one. So do you understand what I mean? Do you understand the problem? Because the early adopters, this is how we call this in marketing, the early adopters, the people who bought it in the beginning of the trend, it's not the right way to say that, we will just feel like, oh really, like 3,000 for something that's supposed to cost like half of the price? Like, no, this is too much. So I'm okay with that. I will have to accept that the market will change and people will start to buy vintage and pre-loved and prices will go up, but for the moment what I am trying to do is survive, which means is get what I can while I can still find it for a reasonable price, because I refuse myself to starting paying extra for bags just, you know, because of Chanel decided to increase their prices, the resellers decided, people are demanding, and like everything just went crazy and wild, and I refuse. I just don't. So this is why, this is disclaimer, this is why you will see a lot of Chanel in this channel. Now let me show you my latest Chanel purchase. This bag was more or less on my 2020 luxury wish list. If you didn't check the video, I will link it here so you can have an eye on it. Where is it? It is here. So I bought it just before the lockdown, and I was the listing ended around 7 p.m. in Europe and 7:30, and the bag is from New York, so I don't know, it was in the morning there, well, I don't know. So I was in the restaurant, and I bid it, and I won it. I mean, I won the auction, and I was like so happy because this bag is really pretty, and you will understand why. So let's say hi to my new vintage Chanel lambskin beige bag. Look how beautiful this bag is. So in my 2020 luxury wish list, I said I wanted a beige because I don't have any beige Chanel, and I wanted a medium or a small beige, and I got this one for 1,200. So, and it's bigger, and I think it was a really good deal. The problem is that I saw this one here and this color for 2,000, and I really wanted to get this bag in the beige color, but I just like I mean I couldn't get it. So when I received this one, I was a little bit like disappointed because I really love this bag with the big CC, and then I just received this one and I was like, it's not the same size. This one is a little bit bigger, and yeah, so I was like, okay, fine, well, it's not that bad. And now a few weeks later, I'm pretty happy with this one because, you know, it's a different bag. The leather of this bag is like a baby. It's so soft, and I think, yeah, having this beauty for 1,200 is just like, it's crazy. The bag looks like almost like brand new. When I open this again, I saw like there is a little stain here, but I'm not sure I received it like this, so maybe it's me and my dirty hands. I will just, you know, clean it. Otherwise, let me show you how it looks inside. So the bag is like super clean. It's Chanel made in France. I have the card. I'm just trying to see where the sticker is, but I cannot find it. Oh yeah, it's here. I'm stupid. So yes, I can see it. Seriously, the bag looks like almost like brand new, and as I said, it's so like this is how, you know, like how it looks. I just need to redo a little stitching here because, you know, the 3D looks not a big deal, and otherwise I think the bag looks pretty cool. My only, like, my problem with it is it's not a jumbo, it's not a medium, it's not a small. It's like in the middle of these three. I think I will try to get a small beige and keep this one as a medium jumbo, because of course sometimes this one here is a little bit too big and sometimes a medium is not enough big. So I think this one here will be like the perfect bag. Let me show you how it looks on me. So you can use it, you know, the double strap, really nice. And I think I will use it with a single strap, but I will try to block it so it's not too long and I'm able to have it more like, you know, like here. I think if I can have this length, it's gonna be just perfect, like super cool. And yeah, I really love it like this, really love it. It's a little bit, it's a shame I cannot show you guys how soft the bag is, because it's my first lambskin that feels as soft as this one. I am very glad I had this bag for this price, because now after Chanel increased their prices and everybody's going in the preloved markets, vintage preloved market, prices are just going like wild. And I know I'm not going to be able to find a bag like this for a ridiculous price like I did. And the seller sent it, they put like a different price, you know, for the customs, and I paid $30 or $20 for the duties. So yeah, this bag for less than $1,300. That's insane. There is one on eBay at the moment, exactly the same, but the leather is caviar. The price is 3,000 something, like the double, even more. So yes, I am, and I was super lucky to get this one. I can't wait to wear it. But as I can see, this leather is really soft and really delicate, and I see when I touch it, then I have like some marks on it, so I will have to be like extra careful with this one. And I understand why I didn't get like a beige Chanel before. Let's see how this one will, you know, go with time. I will try to be like super careful, but I'm not. I will, you know, I will try to do my best, but I'm not sure it's gonna work. Guys, let me know what you think about it in the comment box below. I think it was a really good, you know, deal. I can't wait to wear this bag so I can do a really, like, a full review on it and tell you guys if it was worth it or not. One thing I love about it is that it is single flap. I love single flap jumbos. You can fit so much more inside. This one is a single flap too. The only double flaps I have are the small and medium Chanels I have, so I know I love it. I love it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment box what you think about it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss what is coming next. Je vous fais des gros bisous and I see you in my next video. Bye!